It's fine, there's nothing wrong with it. But yeah, to answer the question simply, my cheap $140 12TB hard drive is still fine about a year later. But there is a little bit more to it than just that, but I'll keep it short. But not before a quick word from our sponsor, Keysworlds.com. With everyone's PCs looking a little bit bare without any RAM to spare, what a better time to save money with this New Year's deal with Keysworlds.com. At the moment, Keysworlds.com is running their New Year's sale, and by using code BEZ25, you can get 25% off Windows licenses, but that also includes the supposedly better and debloated Windows 11 LTSC and as well Microsoft Office licenses for a complete package if you'd like. What's great as well is they also offer Windows and Office licenses together as a bundle for slightly less, which is great to see. I did test them as well to check that they have an easy checkout process, they have PayPal payment which makes it nice and secure, and a couple of other different payment methods as well. By using code BEZ25 in the cart and a secure PayPal checkout, we have a pretty good site to buy cheap Windows keys from. The key worked fine and came within 10 minutes. With New Year's PCs looking a little bit sad, it's time to make sure you save some money on Windows keys and Microsoft Office licenses as well, using code BEZ25 with the link in the description. I'll see you there at Keysworlds.com. Let's start off with the health of the drive and see what it's like right now. Just for some context, the least amount of storage I've had left on this drive is 728 gigabytes, and at the moment it's around about 1 terabyte or so. So yeah, it's been through quite a bit of usage and pretty full up, and even dropping below the 1 terabyte threshold out of 12 terabytes. Having a look at the smart data from Crystal Diskmark info, it also looks all good to go. It's fine, no problems, no misallocated sectors, nothing that's concerning me. It's safe to assume that this drive is fine and is working well. Also, that it's most likely was brand new when I received it from the time I got it, but it's not all sunshine and rainbows. I'd say around about 7 months in or so, I was hearing some incredibly loud noises coming from this hard drive. And I don't mean the sort that's like, oh, it's working, it's reading and writing. I mean like the crazy loud noises. I think I might have a sample of it here, so have a listen. Hopefully, if it's in this video, as you could probably tell, the noise was quite annoying. Other than that, when the noise was happening, the drive seemed to be fine. Smart data was fine, and had a couple of terabytes on it, still to go at that point, from memory. So what I did is I searched it up online for my model of hard drive, being the Seagate EXOS, and I didn't seem to find anyone talking about this particular noise being common. So I sent an email to East Digital where I bought the hard drive from, and they were actually pretty good about it. They said, yes, I can return it if I send it back, and they would be able to give me a brand new one when it was returned to them. But the problem was I already had a couple of terabytes used, with nowhere else extra to back it up. I mean, I had all the important stuff that was backed up to my server with Backblaze as well, like irreplaceable photos and videos, but the rest not really. Recordings for YouTube I was working on and some other stuff, so a bit inconvenient for me. However, the noise did subside and there didn't seem to be any problem going forward from that point onwards. So everything kind of just worked out, and yeah, it was a little bit concerning, but as it seems, everything was fine till this day and the noise has stopped completely. So I don't really know what it was. It definitely was that drive because I had taken it out of my computer, tested it in a separate PC with no case, and yeah, I was having the same noise. Hopefully nothing permanent mechanically on the drive, but for now it seems to be fine. Now the last thing I have to say is East Digital doesn't have as much offerings for cheap hard drives anymore, at least from my own bias when I've had checked their website recently, as well a little bit in the past as well. So a lot of the deals there are kind of gone. I usually just check OzBargain and Australian Deals forum to see for any good hard drive deals if I really need to. But yeah, in short, yes, it's still fine. And thanks for asking, is the hard drive still fine? And despite the odd noise that's happening, seems to be all good. That about sums up the video. Check out wisetech.org for some more awesome content. But other than that, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!